Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 91 of Building the Tumbler from Batman the Dark Knight trilogy. Look, the sign says so. In this issue, I will be doing some more stuff with the whole front covery bit. We got the interior roof panel that we're going to be starting doing some things with from the garage of Bruce Wayne. Yeah, he's got a few cars, hasn't he? Nice stuff. Into Damien. Yes, talking about his other cars, I am, of course, building the original Batmobile, the Tumbler. The Tumbler now. I'm doing the 66 Batmobile as well, so you can find that in my video files as well. That's coming along quite nicely too. But looking at this, Andy obviously doing the Batman cover of Batman 655. Dark Knight's new artist from 2006. Yeah, it's pretty traditional Batman styling. I quite like that. So yes, this is the interior upper panel. We've got the interior upper panel. What's this bit? Lever lock. I don't know what that's for. Got to fit that into there, and then we've got two more switches to install to activate against whatever it is that they're activating against. So we've got the lever and two switches to fit onto that, and then we've got the moving plate and motor cover to install. Looks like this shape, so it's going to go onto that again. Getting close to putting it all together and testing it out. So join me for that soon, but join me for this in just a sec. Right, so the parts today, we've got another big metal plate, and I've got the insulating tape and the switches from previous times. So now we've got to fit this lever into there with the pointy end sticking through, like that, through to there. This then goes over the top of it. Does it matter which way around that goes? Doesn't look like it does. That goes over the end of that. Get it over there. It is that way around. Over the switch. Down onto that. To hold that in place. Be not an off switch, but some sort of thing. That is held in place with CM screws. Those. More spare. That's nice and easy. Those in there. I shall come back and tighten all those up off camera. But for now, we need these switches. What have I got here? This is 37 and 30 something else. 38. Which one goes where? 738. 36. 36, not 38, is it? That is indeed 36. Right. So 36 is going on. They're both going on to there. Get it the way round that it is in the picture. 36 is going on this side. Go that way round. In there like that. And the other one obviously is going on the other side. Like that. And we need the WM screws to hold those in place. Then the tape that I've dug out the box as well, used just to hold those wires in the right general direction. Go. 36 on this side. Yep, and 37 that side. So these wires are going to come around here. And it's got them taped onto there a little bit. So let's get a bit of the tape. Come on. Come. Come on. know you want to come off there. There you go. We'll get a bit of the tape. I shall just cut that off there. Like so. And that is there like that. That picture. Worry about exactly where they go in a bit. But that is that. That down out of the way. Just a little bit more. Right. So I'll get all those screws tightened up. But that was a nice, quick, easy episode. Join me for issue 92 very soon when we see about hopefully getting the interior bit attached to that. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now. Yeah.